Cynful Monterey pork fajitas. This is a yummy dish. You will absolutely love it. Super easy, and this is what you'll need for the recipe. There is a link to a printable recipe in the video description. We're going to start by making the cheese sauce. Start by adding your crema, and we're going to heat this up until it gets just hot enough to, not quite to a boil, but to melt the cheese. Slowly add the cheese bit by bit, and continue to stir it in until it gets really thick like this. Watch this. This is really thick. Now, if it gets too thick, you can add a little bit of heavy cream. Go ahead and add your avocado oil to the pan, and we're going to cook those pork chops. Just lay those in there. Now, we have marinated those in avocado oil, salt, taco seasoning, and some margarita mix. We're going to get them nice and browned, and then we're going to remove them from the pan. They're browned on both sides, y'all. Add some butter, and while it melts, go ahead and scrape up all those bits off the bottom. That's flavor. We call that fond. Add your vegetables. We're going to cook these down until the peppers lose a little bit of color and get soft, and the onions get nice and browned and very soft. Then we're going to add that little bit of brown sugar. That's going to bring the sweetness of those onions out and give it a little bit of caramelization. And we remove that from the pan and set it aside. Add a little bit more butter because we want something to just kind of give it a little bit of oil to do this in. We're going to add the strips. Now, we've cut those pork chops into strips about 1/4 to 1/2 inch wide. And we want to just brown those sides, those cut edges. And we're going to build our fajitas. You can put some refried beans on the bottom. I didn't on this one. But just add your meat and then top it with your vegetables. And then go ahead and add that unctuous, silky cheese sauce. It is so good. Now, I top mine with a little bit of picante sauce and some sliced avocado. You can put anything you'd like, sour cream, picante sauce, guacamole, whatever you like in your fajitas. And there it is. These wonderful, Cynful Monterey pork fajitas. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today to make these wonderful Mexican Monterey fajitas. Please like and subscribe. It really, really helps me with the algorithms and get my word out there. I like to show you guys what I can do. And as always, I hope you have a very, very blessed day.